Good morning, everyone. This is Sabbath morning, and today we're going to make a sweet potato frittata in memory of the one Kelly made last week. To start off with, we're going to have some onions, and then we're going to have some sweet potatoes. We're going to chop those up, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now we have the chopped onions, and then over here we've got the sweet potatoes diced up, not real fine but not real thick, and then they're getting ready to go into the skillet. Before we put the onions in, we have some chicken and apple sausage that we're going to brown just a little bit, and then we'll throw the onions and the sweet potatoes in. Our sausage is frying up, starting to get brown. We want it a little brown on both sides to bring out that flavor. And then in goes the onions. And we'll let that brown for a little bit. And now we're getting ready to add some McCormick hamburger seasoning, special secret ingredient. And then we put some sweet potatoes in. Stir those up. The sweet potatoes, I sort of pre-tenderized them in the microwave for a minute and a half before I sliced them. While we're allowing everything to brown, on low heat, real slow, we'll get to the next part, which is the eggs. You see that? One hand. Sorry about all the camera movement. Uh-oh. Got a boo-boo. We'll just get a spoon, get the little egg shell right out. And then we have one more. Oh, that was a good one. Okay, now the secret ingredient, Parmesan cheese. A little Parmesan cheese, and then the egg whip. And then we're just about ready. Okay, then we have the egg mixture. Final little stir. And then the eggs go on top of our sweet potatoes, onions, and chicken sausage. We'll just muddle this around a little bit so we've got eggs covering everything. We've got our heat on low. We'll turn it up just a little bit. And then we will cover this and we will let this cook for a few minutes on low so all the eggs are cooked all the way through. In the meantime, while it's cooking, we're going to slice up fresh tomatoes right out of these Texas gardens, fresh peaches, and we might even have apple or tangerine to top off our breakfast. Our frittata is continuing to cook. We've got it in our super non-stick skillet. It's still a little bit runny on top, so we're going to put the lid back on for a couple more minutes, and then we will flip it. Okay, we're going to attempt to turn this from one skillet into another skillet with my improvised camera stand. If we look here, frittata is well congealed skillet. Here we go. Look at there. Turn this one off. Turn this one on low. And we have a nice, well brown frittata, which I know Kelly, you probably don't like well brown, but it's up to you how brown you like it. Your mom likes it like this. And then we put some more Parmesan cheese on it. And here we have Sabbath morning frittatas. This is mine. I like mine a little bit less done. We have tomatoes, grapes, peaches, tangerines, and a few little celery leaves for garnish. Your mother, she likes hers a little more well done. And that is how you make a breakfast frittata on Sabbath morning.